Just a quick update, guys. There's two more that I've just rung. White or metal or grizzle, looks like metal or grizzle. A little blue saddle. And we have this lovely pair, old 16 head. Then I'm seeing another mottle or grizzle. And that's a little black saddle, or black ball. Belters, that's her. Oh, egg already. I like battery ends when they get going. Hey, Queens. Little greyhound, you will kill them. And we've got these two little shakes. I love that bit of sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She's on eggs again. He's just gone down on eggs. Belter. It's pure, another Burkett, 2 Burketts. Zai is a belter. Another Burkett. Back on eggs. There them babies. Back on eggs. Same ones. We have back on eggs. That's just hatched today. They've just hatched today. All different ages, like, but what can you do? They've just back on eggs. Waiting for them to lay. That's my prize winning goldfinch. They're all in good nick. Got a Burkett in them. Didn't realise how much like. That's them. Oh, I'll just dettled everything. On Queens, what is it? We have baby's just pulled away. Oh. Baby's that's just been pulled away, that's a nice one. Happy, healthy. That's not, that's an old 2017 then. None of them are blinking slow, so food for first week. Just dipped all the water in Dettol and water with apple cider vinegar. Same ones. Ooh, a bit windy today. Get it off. That's only a baby. Give him up. What the hell is it already? Not even come into a roll yet, it's already fucking oh well, I say babies, look, they're all orange rings. Well, trays all cleaned out, brand new feeders, drinkers. Them. Got some nice colours. If I don't have any good rollers, they'll have some nice colours. It's a nice one. Get off of her! Not your hen. He's too busy down there, look. Trying to woo someone else. That's a nice little Burkett, look. Gorgeous little thing. She's a half-bred Burkett, Mason. They end up with dark eyes. If anyone's on here that gets that breed, do they look? That's got 2 black eyes. That's a half breed. End up with pure black eyes like him. I bred him. He's back to a Burkett from half Burkett, half Mason. That hen that's on there, that's his sister, and she's got both black eyes. Weird. Oh. She's paired up this time for the first time this year. Hopefully sun gets on her back a little bit. It's Burkett. He's half bred. One black eye, one white eye. Is that just what he's half bred? That Mealy. He's took the Mason side, but the whites are through Rob McNally's. There, look, that. Bunch of Masons. It's called Purple Tailed Henna. Purple Tailed Hen. I bred her and she was fucking fantastic as a baby. I've ready to go down on eggs again. There's 555. So I got best individual with. That's the original McNally hen. I don't know if it's a mum to them two, but it is what it is. Give up with it! And that's my main stock cup. Hopefully it goes down.